Okay, it's on. You rolling? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. So, this is my 2022 bike check. Got my Mission Transit 175 millimeter black cranks. They're bigger because they're black, of course. Nice and long. Got these Sunday 9-inch rise bars because, I don't know, he gave them to me. Got the raw Mission Bold HRD stem. Raw, because I like it raw, obviously. Who doesn't? Got the Stolen honeycomb grips. Clear, because they're soft. I'm not soft, but I like my grips soft. Got the paw ends from Odyssey. Got the bent to shit Kink Striker forks. The, let me read that real quick. The Mission XZ, or whatever it is. Front rim with the, covert front hub. Got the best Colt 3 coaster, because mom didn't raise no bitch. Got the Sunday Sabertooth V2 rocket in black. 25 tooth with my KMC or whatever brand it is. Pink chain. Beautiful. My Odyssey Dugan pedals, because, I don't know, it worked good. Kink Sever tire. Might be Mission, I don't even know. Sunday Current V2 rear wheel, because I like 100 PSI. Rear tire. Yeah, thanks, Cash. The Hyper Indy Logan Martin signature frame. In raw, because I like it raw, obviously. It's a pretty good theme. With the Odyssey, or whatever brand it is, MPEGs, wrapped in special electrical tape, so you can't see the rust. And, the Odyssey slick brake cable, an OEM Mission brake lever, and Cease V2 brake, U-brake with Odyssey clear pads, because I like them loud. Oh, and a OEM Mission black seat. And my headset is a OEM Mission headset. I kind of got to get that changed because my bearings are blowing up. But that's besides the point. And my bottom bracket is just a stock bottom bracket that came with a 2019 Kink launch. Besides, like, the top hats and everything, that came from a Salt BMX. Came from a Salt BMX cranks. Yeah, that's the word. Yeah, so that's my bike check. Like and subscribe, of course. I'm being held at gunpoint. Someone help! Somebody!